Fracino Retro, 2 groups espresso. So I'm attempting to replace old O-rings. So this is how they look. So the O-ring is here, top O-ring. The water comes through here and goes in the cylinder. So there are the holes here. But the mystery part was, where is the bottom O-ring? So just to show, this is I removed the top ring, but I'll get replacement during the week. But I found the bottom O-ring, and it's actually in the head. See where my screwdriver is stuck in? This is where the bottom O-ring is. So this is where it is. So I'll need to unpick it and put the new one in when it arrives. Right, I use the knife to really unpick it. It's really difficult to pick it out, so you need to cut it so you can pull it out. Really difficult and tough. So this is it, it's the old one. So what was happening is, I think one of these O-rings was leaking and water was coming from the top, or actually from the middle of the lever group. So I'm replacing all of those. Obviously there is lots of corrosion. I bought this machine recently and it wasn't maintained properly. Okay, let's try this one. So, oh, this one is even tighter. So push, 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 push with your knife. Stick it in there and then lever it out. There it is. Excellent. Right, this is it. So now when it arrives, put some grease, silicone grease, food grade, and replace it. Very old. Special O-ring that can withstand 2000 Celsius. I think it's called Vitron or something like that, and it can tolerate chemicals of different sort.